In this video, I will show you how to install Copilot as an app on Windows 10. It works in Windows 11 as well. Here I will use Chrome browser, but it works from Edge browser in similar ways. First, open the browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com to open the Copilot website. If you get to click the Sign In button, just sign in first. Click on the three dots at the top and More Tools. Then click on Create Shortcut. Just check in Open in window and then click on Create button. This will open Copilot as web app. You can find the shortcut for Copilot is also created. In the desktop, you can click on it, Open Copilot. Go to Search and type Control and select Control Panel from the list. Select View by category. Then click on Uninstall a Program link. Here you will find Copilot gets installed as other apps. If you want to uninstall Copilot, then right-click on it and select Uninstall. You will get a pop-up. Just check in and click on Remove button. Just refresh the page and Copilot gets removed from your computer. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.